shoot 3 strings?
Just doing 2.
Okay. Let's go down and look at them real quick and see how your score looks.
I shot 2 with the 380 and 2 with the 9.
Okay. Well, overall, sort of hard to tell which is which. But you got 4 alphas, so these 2 would be down a second each.
Yep.
These shots. These are good, solid alpha hits. That's 2 right there. 6 shots right there. That's good shooting. I need to aim better on my pasters. I know that. This would score in because it's touching the line.
Okay.
So it goes in. So that's 6 alphas there as well. And you got a little loop on this one. And I'm going to tell you what this probably is. Which way do you I'm guessing you start over there.
Yeah.
Okay, and here's why I'm guessing that. Because most people, yourself included, when you know it's your last shot, you go,
yeah, and
you pull the trigger, and that's these 2 shots right here.
Okay.
You shot 2 strings, right?
Yeah.
That's your last shot on one, that's your last shot on the other. These were the shots where you were carrying, and these are the shots where you were done.
Right.
Okay? So what I tell people, the easiest way to fix this is to think in your head that you've got another shot.
Okay.
You know? Like, I know I'm only shooting it twice, but bang, bang, and I'm going right back to it like I'm going to shoot it a 3rd time. And that keeps you from relaxing and letting your gun drop.
Okay.
That's all that is. Basically, I'm done. I see it all the time, and it's always the last shot.
Right.